Welcome to Open House 2020. This is the Irish Room. Dedicated in 1957, this room is done in an early medieval style Romanesque, which is characterized by the round archways, as opposed to the later Gothic style's pointed archways. The Irish Room is modeled after monasteries, specifically the scriptorium room where the monks would gather together and create artworks. Monasteries were the primary source of literature in the early Middle Ages, as this was hundreds of years before Johannes Gutenberg and the invention of the printing press. Irish monasteries were renowned for their illuminated manuscripts. We have a replica of one of the most famous of those here, the Book of Kells, the original of which is currently housed in Trinity College in Dublin. The Book of Kells is an illustrated version of the four Gospels, or the first four books of the New Testament. Because this is considered holy work, the monks carved Irish wolfhounds on the backs of all their chairs to ward off evil spirits. Good dog. The wall carvings represent a variety of churches and chapels from all across Ireland. This room also references several specific monasteries that can be found throughout Ireland in both the North and in the Republic, as well as the saints who founded them, such as St. Carthage of Lismore, St. Columcille of Derry, and St. Finian of Clonard. This room's cornerstone comes from an ancient Irish chapel and is inscribed with the Irish Gaelic words, "To God's glory and Ireland's honor." Behind it is a jar with soil from both counties in the North Ireland and in the Republic of Ireland. Ireland is traditionally a very religious country, and its holiday traditions reflect this. Going to midnight mass is a popular option for many Irish families. Another popular tradition is the lighting of candles for the Holy Family as a way of signaling hospitality, referencing the Bible story where the mother and father of Jesus were unable to book a room at an inn before he was born, so they had to go to the manger instead. Thank you for visiting the Irish Room at Open House 2020. Nollaig Chonadív.